What if I told you your smartphone can be making you money by simply editing simple and short videos? Do you know the reason why you are still watching this video? It's not because of my spectacles. It's because it is a video. Let's face fact, videos does best when it comes to content on social media currently. This is not a hearsay, it's having a lot of statistical proofs. Now, why you need to know this is because if you want to get the best out of the internet and social media currently, you need to know what works. And the best that works now is using video content. Most people like engaging, sharing, commenting, and even following people who post a lot of video content than those that do text and pictures. But here's the pain. A lot of people don't know how to edit, and people that want to learn how to edit, most of them don't get the best structure to actually know how to edit. So they jump from YouTube videos to YouTube videos, channels to channels. They get confused, everything gets complicated, and they give up. That is why I've taken the pain to do intensive research and analysis to ensure that we get the step-by-step guide and a blueprint which will guide you from just a beginner or no idea designer or editor to becoming a pro in video editing using just your smartphone. And I compiled all of this into a simple course called the Smartphone Video Editing course. So ranging from basic cutting, trimming, slipping, or even cropping, to adding trending sounds, voiceover, and music, adding transitional effects, to adding more professional effects and complicated stuff like cloning and etc. You are going to learn everything at once in this one simple course, which is the smartphone video editing. And the best part is that this is a beginner-friendly tutorial full of practicals, no complicated theories. I mean, just handy practicals. Do it like this, A, B, C, D. So in a matter of just days, you'll be able to create serious and viral reels, adverts, promotional content. Just think about editing video. And another cool important thing you need to know is that most of the things that you're going to be learning from this course, I cannot add them to this video. So just check down this page, and I've actually added a lot of topics and everything that you're also going to be learning from the modules and this particular course. Make sure that you go through them and know exactly what you are actually paying for, because I know definitely that you don't want to go back creating videos that people don't even like again. You don't want to go back and be creating content that people don't even like the post, talk less of sharing or leaving a comment. So you need something that will also guide you, give you the blueprint, something with proven results, just like some of my students also making it massively in this industry. Make sure you follow this and read everything, and you are also continuously adding more videos, adding more tutorials, making sure you stay updated, meaning that when you get this particular course, you will always still be getting additional features, additional videos with time. So make sure you make the investments needed and stay tuned, and I'll see you on the inside. Make sure, why are you making sure a lot? And you are still listening. And once again, my name is still ATK Universe, and I'll see you on the other side of this video.